Okay, so don't just head straight for it.
There you go. Alex, quit recording people.
Lights!
Oh, now you want to...
Here we go. Lights on! Okay, let me see balloons again.
Can we take our goggles off now?
That
My
one.
face is get back to normal. I'll do it.
Oh, he trusts me.
Okay, we ready?
Sorry, Chris. Can you
Stop. Wait, whoa.
Lights.
Lights.
Your action.
Hey, lights on. Everybody, this is like the after pool. Give everybody a chance to get their stuff going. Maddie's.
It's awesome! I'm kidding. Oh boy.
Ooh, it's all wet.
Oh, that was so hilarious.
Now this one, guys, might. No, this one's not here.
My what?
Well, some of these, if they get stuff actually up in them, some of the zinc chloride, this might will, when they fire off, they're green.
Wait, what?
Lights.
Wait. Let's go.
Okay, lights. That one could have a little green to it, a little bit. Okay, red one. That was good. That was a good boom. That was a nice boom.
That's why I feed.
Hey, Eric.
It was like farts.
My bad. I'm kidding.
Get closer.
That'll do a long run through. All right, final boo.
Oh, that was so hilarious. I hope it's like pure green, like.
Okay, lights. Flaming sword. Okay,